Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to find the screen time in this device. That means how much time you spend with your device you can see here. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option screen time. Tap on this one. Okay, so here you can see the screen time. Now you need to enable this screen time on your device. Then only you can see the time that you spend with your device. Now only I turn on this option, that is why it's showing 0 minute. Otherwise you can see how much time you are spending with your device. You can see here for the each and every application you can see here. Okay, so simply in this way you can change, you can find the screen time in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.